Hi, in this video I will demonstrate you how you can create your own games for batocera, like gun games. And this is a tutorial for beginners, people who don't know or doesn't know a lot how to develop. You need some basics in Python, but it's very easy if you want to start to learn how to develop a game. I have created a gun game which is about 150 lines, and it's a single file and it's very easy to edit. Do some minor modification to test at the beginning, then you can extend it, and if you want from this file you can recreate the count. You can even imagine some extension like playing at 2 players, one controlling the duck and another one shooting. So first I will show you the game, and then I will show you how you can modify it even without developing it, because images are customizable. And then I will show you quickly the code to show you how to start. The games are developed with pygame. Pygame is a tool which is available from several versions on batocera. This is like a framework which helps you to develop games out of batocera. It is a known framework. It has 20 years, and some games are developed already with pygame and can be included in batocera. So let's demonstrate the game first. So it's pygame, and the gun game is pygun. So it will be by default in the batocera 36, but you can already copy it in batocera 35, and everything in this tutorial will work with batocera 35. So I have some images. I can switch images with the arrow, and I choose the one I want. For example, I like this one. Okay, I can switch. Okay, so this is the game, very basic. Now, if you go in the share of your batocera, you go in runs, and you go in pygame. You can copy the pygun game here from GitHub, or maybe you have already it if you have batocera 36. Here you have the audio file, you don't need to touch it, except if you want to extend the game. So basically just the sound when you shoot. The images is empty by default. It is where you put your images. So if you want to custom these images, just remove all of them. Download any picture on internet. It must be a JPEG or PNG. Just copy it on this folder, and it will be available in the game. And the pygame is the program itself. Okay. So for example, so if you already know Python, you can already understand most of the program. It's quite easy. It's a function to draw. So basically it draws a black screen to erase everything which is already displayed. It draws a background image, so basically the image which was chosen at the correct size. It draws a bullet at the size you want, so you can change the size, for example, if you want a bigger bullet. And in case you have no gun, or if there is no image, there are some information displayed to help people to say that there is no gun detected or no image. In fact, there are some functions you have not to touch that discover the guns. Some function to load media, so basically the initial audio. One function that do the conversion between the gun coordinates and the screen coordinates, you have not to touch to it. And what happens when you shoot? So basically, it plays a sound, it adds a bullet at the position where you shoot, and then it withdraws the image, the first function we saw to withdraw the bullet on it. Okay, and the main loop to handle events. So now that I have modified it with some bigger bullets, we can just restart the game and see that it was taken immediately. Okay, so these bullets are bigger. We can even, if you want to be sure, we can even do bigger bullet. Okay, let's do this size, and then let's restart the game. Okay, this one is really bigger. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. I hope some people will be interested in developing new games, gun games, customized games, or even people who will not develop, just play by changing the images, and you will be happy to put everything you would like to shoot at. Thanks.